Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I want to tell you about a new, unique labeling supply that we have, printable ribbon. It's so cool. You can use it for gift wrapping, crafting, awareness ribbons. There are so many different uses for the ribbon supplies. But I have an important tip for you if you're going to be using those supplies. Now, our automatic cutters are great for traditional adhesive labels. However, they don't always cut the ribbon as crisp as you would want them to be. And frayed edges in the ribbon could cause it to jam in the printer or even ruin your cartridge. And I would hate for that to happen. So I want to show you how to turn off the cutter in the Label Editor mobile app, and then we'll just cut those ribbon by hand. All right, now I've already launched the Label Editor mobile app and created the ribbon that I want to print. So all you have to do is hit the print button. That's where we're going to find the cutter setting. Okay, so I can select the number of copies, but you'll see down on the bottom is the tape cut setting. It's a toggle for either on or off. So I'm just going to toggle that off. Okay, now I can hit print. All right, now remember, it did not cut it. So all I'm gonna do now is pop the cover open, pull the tape out, and then I can easily cut the ribbon by hand. So I'm gonna do that now. Perfect. Oh, that looks so good. This is gonna look perfect in the gift basket. If you have questions on the ribbon tape, any of our new supplies, or the Label Editor mobile app, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.